All right, we have a 2009 Chevy Express 2500 with a 5.7. It's got a leak with the O-ring right here, the Freon, and then it also needs an alternator. It's the original alternator with 250,000 miles, which is here. So the coolant tank has to come out, the air box, the intake for the throttle body. So it should be a pretty easy, straightforward job. And got the alternator from AutoZone. It was $240 with a core charge and a lifetime warranty. All of the alternators, starters, tension pulleys, I always recommend getting it local from like an AutoZone or an Advanced or an O'Reilly, where you get a lifetime warranty, and if it goes bad, you just swap it out and call it a day instead of sending it away to an Amazon or an eBay where you gotta wait. Anyways, that's it.